We're getting breaking news right now, viewers, from Nepal. According to Nepal police, a passenger bus carrying 40 people from India has plunged into the Marsyangiri River in Nepal's Tanahun district. The bus was traveling from Pokhara to Kathmandu when it veered off the road and landed on the river bank. Authorities are still gathering more details on the incident, but the latest we have is that 40 people, and they were all Indians, 40 people from India were in this bus. My colleague Samiksha joins us live from the newsroom. Samiksha, tell us more details as far as this bus plunging into the river in Tanahun is concerned.
That's right, Rakshita. And just to add to the details that you've mentioned, this is the Tanahun district where the mishap has happened. As we understand that 40 Indians were on board when this tragedy happened. This bus was en route from Pokhara from Kathmandu region. Not yet known whether there are any casualties or not, but yes, unfortunate news. We have details of the number of this bus which plunged in this river. This is UPFT 7623 that plunged into the Marsyangiri River. Yet to get more details as to whether there are any casualties or not. But just to add to this, reports are trickling in that there are as many as 10 deaths that have been reported in this mishap, Rakshita.
All right, viewers, this is the information we'll be getting from Nepal, that there are indeed 40 people from India. It's an Indian passenger bus that has fallen into the river. It landed on the river banks, and you can see visuals of that area, of that spot of the accident. And you can see how steep that is. The bus is there, right, and the rescue efforts are right now underway. We do not know yet how many fatalities have been recorded. Is there anyone who has been rescued alive or not? Why we do see some bodies being moved out, viewers, and these are 40 Indians in this passenger bus that fell into the river in Marsyangiri River. It was moving from Pokhara to Kathmandu, and it's lying on the bank of the river, and the bus was traveling from Pokhara to Kathmandu. It was moving towards Kathmandu, viewers, and 40 Indians in this bus. We do not know yet exactly the number of fatalities. However, these are disturbing images, and we have blurred those pictures coming in. 40 Indians on board, and no confirmation on the casualties yet. My colleague Samiksha continues to be with us from the newsroom. Samiksha, of course, we're getting visuals of the rescue efforts that are right now underway. Many bodies are also being moved out of that bus from the crash site.
That's right, Rakshita. And you know, the visuals speak for themselves. The demography of this region is definitely a challenge for the rescue officials while they are trying to pull out the bodies and aiding in the rescue operations. That being said, a statement that has now come in from the DSP of the Tanahun district, which says that the bus bearing number plate UPFT 7623 plunged into the river and is lying on the bank of the river. Yet to get more details as to whether any casualties. But once again, the details that we know, the bus was en route to Kathmandu, was en route Pokhara from Kathmandu region. This incident, as we understand, happened an hour ago.